Working President Joka Khon Nyautrep National Awakening Movement Khnam ba Thomas Pasa ulaong ba hakapor bakajat benriu jongi ka syahyar thma hakidole lami utirot sing ukiang nang ba banyale ikinong shun ban pelat nakajing penong mera jongki bat ulaong ru ban nadu kisnam ki ba kham manshwa kum kajat benriu ngiju pensngau bat dawa naga sorkar bade ban kelano yaki an ki kanun da ukhulam ubaklan henrei kata kam urlong Ula kedau ba kajingja hari lum Garo de ban keno ikinong yelam ki balalek no. Namar ba kimla ban wanra iki an ki baklan ban yada iki jai ban riu Garo kat kum ka an. Yakani ula kran haba wan ban yashim bentalang hakajingelang Paidbah bala penlong hamot pran da ka komso hakajingele jingki pai riu lum Garo ban khanglat yaki bamde riu lum ban shim benta hakajingjit yakinong mikmat shaji EDC.
Ba kadon ka jing persyang ban pelong merau ya ka jai beri wajong mi lami ki kyang nang ba terot sing kinong ya le jong ka jai beri wajong ni bat kum juru na ka jai beri nang the na po rilom Garo ngadum penjurong ya ka jing keren ka jong a henre ka don ka wai ka kentin pareng ka bekyong teng teng ukhulam ukham khlan ban ya ka wai lam. Sometimes the pen is mightier than the sword. Di na katakadaw na kaliyang kajongi. Nadog isnam ibalalay. Ngila persyang man penbor bangin penkelano ya kaan. Naningin ya da. Ya kariti ka dostor kajongi da ukulam banab ubasay lembah ki an ki kanun ki babyang. Mentaka sining oi ka ruling jong ka High Court badan borom bala scrap no ya ka notification badan kam sirul trai bala pen mi ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kini baro ki jingja teng teng kumengyong kai ka ba jia po Garo ngimlaban lan hap kuno ya kinong yalam ki balalay ki bamenswa ki bala yo ban bat ya ka bor sinsarang te po Garo Hills. Whatever has happened in Garo Hills, we cannot deny. We have to put a blame on our past leaders, our legislators who have been authorized to make law in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. They have failed to protect the Garo community through an act. Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Janta Hills, we need a very clear protection by law. And just to elaborate, Taman Punshai Indian, the Constitution of District Council Rule 1951, lanang ikwa banyada ya ka Jantia ya ka Khasi wa ya ka Garo na ka jingsha tuklar. Jo kini kibamde kiri ulum ha niya po District Council ngihaban penkala ya ka ni ka AD rule ka basis pa arbupra so para 1 basa para 3. But kadai kakam ka basuk na kabasuk tang badle. Ya ka menglakran na kapor si kapor. It is high time that all the 3 district council will bring amendment to the 128 AD rule sub para 1 and sub para 3. And if this is done, I guarantee you, nobody can put a finger or try to encroach into the district council. So therefore, today, let it be the day that as a community, we demand from the state government, especially from the district council, to bring immediate amendment to the 128 AD rule and to bring a special protection to the walls of the 3 district council. Nagalang ko jonging ay kublay, ya ka komso, kabla bo yung nagkajingelang namar kung kajay benrew, haban bo yung nagkajingelang namar ting-ting, ngiyap bun kam nakajong. Nakajong ko kajinge ngiyapet, ngiyaklat no pada yakajinge jong ka community. Ya jinge ko jong kajay benrew ngiyapun wasyarut. Nakadang ay kublay kerpang yung komso, kabla kot yung nagkajingelang kanang mangiiway pa iway. Yung kindit benrew. Namar ni mentaka sini nagplaon pelong ni kanika jigalang hang ni bot pran. ngidai ban pentikna bahaden sans bas namru mangi ki balong trai ngidai ban yo ya ka hok ngidai ban not ban pelong ki jingalang ngidai ban syahir thma lani ban sya ban pendobor tak ni ini kintin ngai kublai pi barok berapa ilang ublai unkur kulang yang i barok